Partition walls are no longer just functional, they are a major design statement. In modern living rooms, especially open concept layouts, room dividers help define spaces without closing them off completely. In 2026, partition walls combine style, utility, and flexibility, allowing homeowners to create cozy corners, display areas, or multi-purpose zones while maintaining flow and openness. The right divider instantly elevates the space and adds personality to your living room. Open shelving partitions for light and flow. One of the most popular trends in 2026 is open shelving as a room divider. These partitions allow light to pass through while providing storage or display space for books, decor, and plants. They create visual separation without isolating areas, maintaining the airy, open feel of modern living rooms. Adjustable shelves or modular units also allow flexibility, letting homeowners reconfigure the space as needed. Glass partitions for elegance and transparency. Glass partition walls are ideal for creating distinct zones without sacrificing light. Frosted, tinted, or textured glass adds a layer of sophistication while providing some privacy. In 2026, frameless or minimal frame glass partitions are trending, giving living rooms a sleek, contemporary look. They are perfect for separating a study corner, dining area, or TV space while keeping the overall environment bright and airy. Sliding and movable dividers. Movable partitions are a game changer for flexible living spaces. Sliding panels, folding screens, or track-mounted dividers allow homeowners to open or close areas according to their needs. These solutions are perfect for small apartments, dual-purpose rooms, or families who want adaptable spaces. Modern designs often incorporate lightweight materials, mirrored surfaces, or with slats to combine functionality with style. Wooden slats and lattice walls. Wooden slat partitions or lattice walls remain a top choice in 2026 for adding warmth and texture. Vertical or horizontal slats create subtle separation, provide visual interest, and complement neutral or contemporary interiors. Depending on the spacing, these dividers can offer partial privacy while maintaining connection between areas. Natural wood tones, matte finishes, or painted options allow customization to suit any decor style. Multifunctional dividers. Partition walls are no longer just barriers. They are functional furniture. Shelving units, bookcases, TV stands, or storage-integrated walls maximize space efficiency while dividing zones. In 2026, homeowners are embracing dividers that double as storage or display units, combining practicality with aesthetic appeal. These multifunctional partitions are ideal for smaller living rooms or open-plan apartments. Decorative and statement partitions. For a bold design touch, decorative partitions are gaining popularity. Intricate laser-cut panels, geometric patterns, metal frames, or artistic screens transform a simple room divider into a focal point. Statement partitions in 2026 serve as sculptural elements that enhance a room's visual impact while subtly separating areas, creating a balance between beauty and function. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability is a major consideration in modern interior design. Eco-friendly partitions made from reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled materials are trending in 2026. These dividers not only reduce environmental impact, but also add natural texture and warmth, making your living room feel modern, stylish, and environmentally conscious. Transform your living room with partitions. Partition walls are one of the easiest ways to redefine your living room in 2026. From open shelving and glass dividers to sliding panels and statement pieces, these designs create functional zones, enhance privacy, and elevate aesthetics. Modern dividers balance openness with separation, style with utility, and adaptability with elegance. Whether you're updating an apartment, villa, or open concept home, the right partition wall can turn your living room into a versatile, visually stunning space that feels modern, organized, and inviting.